thinking about some barbecue today. But the unique part is, I want to put this hot sauce inside of it. Let's give it a shot. Welcome back to Chef's Treat. I'm your host, Paxton, and today I'm super excited because I'm gonna do my chuck roast wrapped in bacon with some super crazy hot sauce. So let's see how this goes. I'm a little nervous because I've never had this hot sauce before, so you guys might want to stick around to the end, see me cough and kind of, go sputter my face and everything else like that. I might trip over my words, who knows? But come along with me and let's get started making this food. So obviously, you gotta get the bacon out first. For those of you who like bacon, I wanna hear something about you guys. Is it always really exciting to add more meat to other meat? Who knows? I prefer it that way. I don't know what people do when they don't have bacon wrapped things. I was talking to some girl and she told me she doesn't eat bacon. And I was just like, I don't know what's going on with you, but I think you're missing out. Bacon wrapped stuff is just like killer. Take for example, the amazing man of Ron Swanson.
But this hotel always serves bacon wrapped shrimp.
Now, once you got all your bacon set out and ready to go, gotta, put that finger in the meat. You look at this, it's got some extra trimmings on it. Make sure you get that off. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but it is a satisfying sound. You gotta listen to that like, just so nice to have it done. What is this most satisfying sound in cooking that you guys really like? Leave a comment down below. I'd really like to hear it. You guys are all of my treats. And for those of you who's saying, Paxton, you gotta protect the meat. You gotta make sure that it's safe in there. Look, I'm literally wrapping it in other meat, and bacon has so much fat on it, it'll be just fine. So hold your horses, it'll be okay. I think that should be good. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna score this. I'm gonna make cuts through on the side, perpendicular to it. You gotta do it both ways. So both ways, and make those nice lines through. Do nice. And then one or two down the middle. Maybe a third for good measure. And then flip it over and do it the other way. If your knife's not sharp, well, get a sharp one. I know for some of my loyal subscribers, you guys consistently tell me that my knives aren't sharp enough. So maybe I'm just not pressing hard enough, but I'm guessing there are certain people in the audience who would disagree with me. You should be able to see some nice good slots in there. So once that's completed, now we're gonna dry it off and then we're gonna inject it with our super hot sauce. Seeing as I've never had this sauce before, it's gonna be an experience. I hope it actually goes well, because not all sauces go well with the stuff you inject it in. So we're gonna give it a little trial taste and we'll see. You guys got a nice funny reaction out of me. Which, personally, I don't think it's gonna be that bad. I've had hot ones. I've had lots of crazy hot ones. Done the Buffalo Wild Wings challenge twice, believe it or not. Passed both times. What's the hottest level of spice that you guys had? Comment that down below. Let me know what you think. Just like a little child. Like, remember when you were a kid with a straw and you'd be blowing into it all the time? The memories of without having bills. Anyway, so suck all that up. Should be good enough. Give ourselves a little taste. Oh, it's pretty good. It's pretty hot. If there's any Hispanic mamas out there, this is definitely the sauce for you. Anyways, so let's get it in there and make some really inappropriate childlike noises. Once that's complete, time to wrap it up in the bacon. So let's get this started here. I got my trusty toothpicks. It's kind of a big piece of meat though, so we'll see how this is gonna go. Might have to do some doubling, if you will. Let me know what you guys think, but I think that turned out pretty freaking good. Now let's get it on the smoker, because this is gonna be where the fun part is, and I'm looking forward to it. Be smoking at 250 degrees today. Just set that off to the side. We got it at 250, and I got hickory wood in the smoker. Let's get this thing going. And now, time for the good part. It's finished. Let's get this baby off really nicely. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Let's get it inside and try this out. Now that this is cooked, let it rest for 10 minutes, and once it's done, we're gonna cut into it and we'll see how spicy this sauce is. As you can see, this is why you let your meat rest. Now that it's rested and you can see all the juice all over this thing, let's cut into it and eat. All right, moment of truth. Let's cut into this right now. See, my knife was sharp. All right, moment of truth. Look at how delicious that looks. Just perfect. Now let's get a small little piece. As you can see, there's one of the hot spots right there. Let me bite that really quick. That's hot. Really good, but hot. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see the channel grow and become one of the treats, hit that subscribe button. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for the food, and I will see you guys next time.